ভালো কাকলি ফার্নিচার, দামে কম মানে ভালো কাকলি ফার্নিচার, দামে কম মানে ভালো কাকলি ফার্নিচার, দামে কম।
কাল থেকে কিন্তু শুধু একটা জিনিস মাথায় চলে যাচ্ছে, কাকলি ফার্নিচার কাকলি ফার্নিচার। তোমরা সবার পোস্ট, পুরনো ফটো সব কিছু একটা জিনিসই ভরিয়ে দিয়েছে। যাকে যেটা বলার ছিল, এইগুলো পুরনো ফটোস এটসেট্রাতে স্প্যাম করে কোনো তো লাভ হচ্ছে না কারণ, বরঞ্চ তার থেকে বেশি ভালো একটা আইডিয়া হবে পুরনো ভিডিওসে যাও, উৎপা চ্যানেলে যাও, পুরোনো ভ্লগসে যাও, সব কটা ভ্লগে গিয়ে যত তোমার কমেন্ট করা, যত কপি পেস্ট করা, যতটা তোমাদের এনার্জি আছে ওটা সব কটা ভিডিওসে গিয়ে করো, বরঞ্চ লাভ দেবে, অ্যাটলিস্ট অ্যালগরিদমে কাজ দেবে। Getting back to the video, we bought our first surprise of the day, which is on its way. It's almost right here. And there is my morning surprise. Thank you. Look at all the stuff which they've sent me, guys. So you have a tiramisu cake over here, you have a marble cake, then there's this delicious Alfonso gatto over here, you have a double chocolate cake, and then you have the vanilla chocolate chunk cakes, two of them, and a jar cake. You've been complaining about the sound, some of you, so I've got the mic hooked on today. So all of these items in front of me have been sent to me by the pound. So I ran across them on Instagram yesterday and I had a little quick chat with them, and they said that they would like to send me some stuff over, and along with the amazing stuff is they've sent over, they've also sent me this cute note which says, "Hey Food Spa, these pounds don't count, team the buy the pound." I think that's pretty cute. Anyway, cuteness to holo, sweetness to holo gesture. Let's now taste the stuff and see how it is. So the first item which I'll be trying out is, I think it's their pineapple gatto. Yes, it is. So this is what it looks like from inside. Let me give you a closer look. But no, I just got the cream, so I need to dig in deeper so that I get a little bit of everything. It's not overly sweet, which you will find with most of the pineapple stuff. It's pretty mild, which reminds me what the owner, a little conversation with him, he mentioned that all of his stuff, they don't have any added sugar. So whatever sweetness you get in these stuff is actually the natural sweetness which comes from all the ingredients which are used. But this is the first thing which I've tried, so let's try some other stuff. Next up, we'll be trying the Alfonso gatto. Now the reason why I'm excited about this particular one, not just is because it has mango, but these mangoes are actually grown by them in their own farm. And not just that, it's not just that it's on top. Even when you dig inside, you're going to find oodles and oodles of Alfonso mango. This is amazing. I love the mildness of their stuff. Not overly sweet. I mean, when you put stuff like mango cream, of course it's going to get its sweetness by its own. So they don't add anything extra, which is something which any viewers who are like me, who like their desserts in this way, I think you guys are going to love this one. বেশি খাবো না, অনেক কিছু আছে। Alfonso mangoটা রিভিউ করতে করতে মনে আসলো, yesterday when I bought the mangoes, it's still a little hard, so I haven't consumed it yet. My brother had it and he said that এখন অবধি অতটা ভালো না। But যখন তোমাদের কমেন্টসগুলো আমি পড়লাম, a lot of you mentioned that Himsagar this time around is pretty sweet, so I'm going to be trying out Himsagar, and Alfonso to যেটা taste করলাম, I think it's pretty good as well. So I think these two I can try. Next up, my favorite, tiramisu. Let's just dig in deep. বেশি হয়ে গেল, I think একটু কম করে দেবো। Honestly, I did not like it so much also. It's pretty good compared to other places still, but not compared to the first two, the gatto which I've had. If, of course, you guys are going to be watching this video, I think you can work on this. Next up, I will be having the marble cake. Now, my favorite place for marble cake in Calcutta, the Coco Bakery. They serve amazing marble cake. Let's see how they do it. But তোমাদেরকে দেখাবো আমি কিরকম করে আমি জানি না। Anyways, I think this is a better option. Good job, guys. Moving on. This is the vanilla chocolate chunk. It's pretty moist inside. That's pretty good. You like it? It's got a lot of chocolate in this, and I hope it's for everyone. That's what I've been told. When I was having a conversation with the owner last night, he mentioned a few things to me, that this order apparently has been placed like a normal order. So whoever is making it or whoever is delivering it, they were not informed that this is for a promotional shoot. So I just hope this is going to be the same for everyone. So anyone ordering from here after this video, let me know your feedbacks, how your experience has been. They are delivering pan India. Sorry, pan India bolla. Habit hai gache. Pan mane India mukh theke bole. They are delivering pan Kolkata throughout Kolkata, and I'll be mentioning all the details, the contact details, and where you can reach them out in the description below. You get into the habit of reading the description because there are a lot of stuff which are mentioned there every now and again. So I think you should not miss them out as well. Anyway, back to my chocolate chunk. Dude, this is really good. This is moist, like I've mentioned. Any cake which is like this are usually very dry, but they've put so much of chocolate inside. This is amazing. Finally, the double chocolate cake. I think to beshi jinish পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছি আমি ওদেরকে মানা করেছিলাম, but they said since I'm doing a video, they're going to be showing me a good range of stuff which they have, which is good because normally when you send someone or make someone try a few items, 4, 5, 6, it's but obvious that he or she will not like all of them. So it's easier to pick and give a recommendation which ones to go for and which ones to not. The double chocolate cake. This, আমি যেটা বুঝতে পারলাম ওরা মোস্টলি সব কিছুই ভালো বানায়, কোয়ালিটি খুব ভালো। Okay, of course প্রাইসটা একটু হায়ার রেঞ্জে আছে, so quality has to be good. Now it's not important that everything which you see online or you see someone posting about pictures, videos, etc., it's not necessary that everything is for you. The onus is on you to choose which one you would want to go for, which one fits your budget, which one fits your preference or taste, and only then you go for it. If I'm putting a video and if it's watched by say 5,000, 10,000 or 50,000, 1 lakh people, that's not the important point here. It's not important that everything is for everyone. Out of those people, a few percentage would prefer something, a few percentage would prefer something else. So it's totally on you to decide after watching which one you think appeals to you and which one you think is worth your while. So whatever you guys see me promote or show you guys the vlogs, it's not important that everything is for you. Alright, so oguloke niye tomra please don't lose sleep. Whichever you feel is good for you, you can go for it. Whichever you feel is not good for you, you can just skip that. That's not an issue. Speaking of which, last night I was approached by a brand, a Dalda brand, for promotions. Since I myself don't cook, I have no clue whether the benefits or the problems associated with this product. So let me know, you guys, whoever is watching, the benefits or the demerits of Dalda, and if at all you would want or you think that I should promote this, let me know in the comment section. Freshened up now, all geared up for the vegan lunch. Excited, nervous, both at the same time. And that is my delivery. Thank you. One thing I want to point out, the reason why vegan shunai a lot of us lose our sleep, especially non-vegetarian, is because veganism is an entire lifestyle. Alright, when you think of vegan, it's not a very simple process because you have to not just give up on non-veg food but also everything which comes, be it leather, be it fur. It's an entire lifestyle. But we all are foodies. What we can do, even if we cannot commit to such big causes and big promises, what we can do definitely is enjoy vegan food if it's delicious. So why not? I thought of it in this way. It doesn't mean that I have to convert into a vegan, but it does not mean that I cannot try out their food. So I am going to be trying out vegan food today for lunch, and I'm going to give you a review of how exactly vegan food tastes. Look at the stuff which has been given to me by them. So this is their fish fry. This is a golden fried prawn with a dip. This is your unmutton roll. Just check this out. And this is what they call the kindest biryani. Eco-friendly packet and unbleached natural napkin. Does it get any better than this? So one meal dedicated to nature, and you're not compromising on food. You're getting to have your favorites. Not a bad deal. I'm very excited to try out the stuff today from Ubuntu. I think without further ado, I won't be using cutleries, even though they are really cute. Let's start with the fish fry. Look at the size of this, isn't it massive? Tastes a little like soya, extremely crispy and oily outside. Does not taste like fish. This is deep fried with a lot of stuffing and it's very filling. Next up, I'll be trying out my favorite. These are the golden fried prawns. Now these taste insane. I tried it the last time I was at Ubuntu. So let me just break it into a piece. This is what it is like inside. This is amazing. I have no idea how they make this taste like this, but it tastes absolutely like prawns. They give it alongside some dip, but you won't need it. 6 pieces of these. If you're a vegan, looking for vegan places, vegan options, this one particular thing is something you should definitely not miss. The next item which I'll be having is the unmutton roll. I wish I could actually have a feature in which I could give you the smell of it through the videos, but this, I don't know how they make it, but this smells like mutton. I don't know, mutton is smell niye kichu ekta kore, aroma niye kore, but Shreya, you are a magician. How do you do this, Shreya? Incredible. But jotoi bhalo hok, I cannot stuff myself too much because I have the kindest biryani next. Chicken biryani made with love. All the items smell exactly like the non-vegetarian variants. This entire texture is like chicken. Just look at this. It feels like that when I'm breaking it off. It mane oi je piece ta thake na jeta is closer to your leg piece. ঠিক ওই রকম। বলে উঠতে পারছি না এই জিনিসগুলো কেমন খেতে। Those who are vegans, of course, you all are going to try this place. Vegetarians too can try. But যারা যারা non-vegetarian আছো, একদিনের জন্য যদি তোমরা এক্সপেরিমেন্ট করতে চাও, you guys should definitely order from Ubuntu. Alright, so that was my experience today with both the brands. Before I get into the conclusion, a lot of you keep on asking me যে tripod use করো না, tripod use করো না, আমি বলে বলে হাঁপিয়ে গেছি। Tripod use করি, I am in my Elliot Road house, so Foods Bucket bag is here. So it has everything. I hope আজকের মাইকের প্রবলেমটা সর্ট আউট হয়ে গেছে। Another thing, while shooting today's video, আমার মাথায় আসলো যে since I have the bag with me and currently অনেকটা trending videos চলছে যে what is inside my bag. It's again a lifestyle challenge, but you know I love doing these lifestyle challenges too. কালকে রাতে একটা ভিডিও ছেড়েছি, short video on YouTube. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know 2 things if you want me to put in more short videos on YouTube if you guys are enjoying it, and if you would like to see what is inside Foods Pass bag. So maybe I can plan a separate video for that. Other than that, whatever stuff which we've tried out today, first things first, by the pound, amazing job done. যা যা ডিটেলস আছে আমি ডিসক্রিপশনে দিয়ে দেবো, তোমরা ডেফিনেটলি আলফানসোটা ট্রাই করো. That was really good, as well as the pineapple gatto. Those two, both the gattos were amazing and you can definitely give it a try. And Ubuntu, মানে expectations were there, of course. I've heard a lot about you. I did try out your prawns, but it was amazing. All the other items. Anyone who's a vegan fan who is open to trying out new stuff, you should definitely give Ubuntu a try. ওটারও ডিসক্রিপশনে আমি বাকি ডিটেলসগুলো দিয়ে দেবো. I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to keep it short. তো সবসময় চেষ্টা করি হয় না. I hope you guys watch the entire thing and let me know if you have any more suggestions for upcoming videos coming in the channel in the next coming few days. Until next time, this is myself wrapping up from my house at Elliot Road. Cheers.
তো প্রন রোল বানাচ্ছে তো প্রন তো পুরো কিভাবে বানাচ্ছে
No idea.
নোবেল প্রাইজ দেওয়া উচিত তো
এটা আমার পার্সোনাল ফেভারিট, খুবই ভালো বানিয়েছে।